What's going on, guys? Gadgets 123 here. We're back. Sorry it took me a little while to get another video going, but you know, it's daily grind, work, and so forth. Always keeps everybody busy and keeps me busy as well. So haven't been able to post too many things, but I do appreciate all the comments, especially all the views. Thank you, guys. It's just been great. And any question you guys have, I'll try to answer as soon as I can. And any comments or any critiques or anything, it's fine, guys. You know, post it up. Always, you know, want to get other people's point of view. So anything you have to say, just you know, post it. Let me know. And if you give it a couple of thumbs up, that would be appreciated. Thank you, guys. But I do like that everybody's watching and watching these videos for the majority. So thanks, guys. So right now, let's get started. I want to go over this mini speaker I got. This is the Altec Lansing speaker. Now there are smaller speakers in this, actually even half the size of this and even smaller than that. However, the sound aren't that good. So I'm kind of sticking away from those models, and I'm going to. This one is the smallest one I think I will be reviewing, just because the you know, anything smaller, the quality of the sound goes it suffers because of the size. So you know, I don't want to go too small because then it's pointless. You're better off with your phone's internal speaker than any of the smaller speakers. So the Altec Lansing speakers are actually pretty good. They're good quality speakers. They're middle to higher up in the brand category, just below you know, Beats and the Sonys and so forth. But they're pretty good. They're up there. They're not any pushover brand. So I had good experience with the Altec Lansing speaker. So I got this mini speaker. I got in the bigger models, and the bigger ones are great, but I never tried these smaller one. So I figured, why not give it a shot. So this is the Altec Lansing Mini H2O 3 speaker. I have linked the item in the description. It goes for about $30 in Amazon. A little bit in the high end. However, you're paying pretty much for the brand and the quality. So the quality is actually pretty good. Smaller generic speakers like this, maybe a little bit bigger, are pretty. They're not that good. The quality isn't that. They're pretty much subpar. In you know, it's static. It has a lot of static on it, and the range isn't that good as well. So I rather just pay a little extra on the Altec Lansing brand, because I know they're pretty solid when it comes to speaker quality, and they're not that expensive. All right, so this one, again, it goes for about $30. I'll tell you what it has. It says it features 33-foot range. Okay, so you could pretty much Bluetooth this in you know, up to 33 feet. So that's not bad. That's actually pretty long. Why you would need 33 feet? You know, it just has that. Now it's advertised that it holds battery for about 6 hours. I always, you know, tell everybody, you know, don't go by what it says. If it says 6 hours, usually goes, you know, it's 80% of that, the majority of the time. So I would think about 4 hours at max. And I mean, I would think, you know, if you use this speaker, because of the size, you would, you know, kind of use it from middle to max volume, just to make it, you know, so that the music is pretty, you know, pretty good. Anything lower than that, then you're better off with your, you know, internal speaker. Again, if you have the newer phones have pretty decent speakers. All right, so that's basically some of the specs this speaker has. Now the speaker weighs about 7 ounces, so it's really tiny. It has a 9 lithium-ion battery. Okay, so that's already built in, so you don't have to worry about that. And it is waterproof, so that's what they're advertising. We're gonna test that out as well. So it is IP67 waterproof certified. So keep that in mind. We're gonna give it a shot and see if it's actually waterproof. It has like a little belt clip here, for, you know, you could link it to your book bag or your bag if you're going out camping or something. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna unbox it and see how it is and what it comes with and so forth. Okay, so let's get started here. It comes in this neat little box, plastic box here. As you can see, it's a little bit crooked because I already took one of the clips. It's a pain in the butt, just, you know, just pushing this clip, both of these clips in, and then taking this little box out. All right, so again, it's a little plastic. It says here waterproof, snowproof, dirt proof, 6 hours. As you can see, 6 hours. True. See what it says here. Zoom in. True wireless stereo pairing and carabiner clip included. That's pretty cool. So you could, okay, so this clip is included, so you could put it on your book bag and so forth. So that's pretty cool that they have that. Okay, so let's open it up. So let's see what you get. Oops, let's get rid of that, let's get rid of that. All right, before we get into the speaker, let's see what we get in this little box. Leave this here. All right, and oh, you get a lot of little, wow. All right, get the instructions. Pretty cool how they have how they made it in this, you know, circular pattern. That's pretty nice. But again, you know, wireless speakers are pretty standard, nothing crazy. 12-month limited warranty, always included with these things. Altec Lansing has a nice warranty package, which is pretty cool. Just some more information. Speaker, pairing your speakers, Bluetooth, pretty standard, registered, and you get a nice little sticker. All right, you get this clip, which is pretty cool. So the clip, I'm assuming, just goes something like this. There you go, there. So that's how the clip goes. So then you put this into your book bag or your bag or whatever. It's pretty solid. It's not the best quality I've seen in like this clip, but it won't fall, it won't break. It's like really hard plastic, so that's pretty nice. And you get the standard USB charging cable. I would say this is about 3 feet, nothing crazy. Would have been nice if they would have provided you a 6 feet one, but hey, it's okay. I guess you could use your own. Okay, the speaker is actually pretty small. It has this little clip here. Nothing in here besides a charging port. Okay, so keep that in mind. It only has a charging port, nothing else. There's no, let me double check. Okay, so there's something, I don't know. I mean, personally for me, I do like having it. I barely use it, but strange, it doesn't have an auxiliary port, an aux port for you to plug in the you know, speaker, your phone into the speaker directly. Again, a lot of people don't use it, but it's always nice to have it. This one really does not have it at all. As you could see, it only has a charging port. So I mean, it's not it's nothing that I wouldn't buy it, but it's nice. It would be nice if it did have it. All right, so let me give you a little context about the size of the speaker. So let's go over a couple of the phones I have here, just to give you a size differential of how it is. So here we have a Galaxy Note 4. Hopefully a lot of you people, you know, if you guys are Note users, pretty much know the size of it, or kind of have you get an idea of how big it is. So it is pretty pretty small. As you could see, it fits in the Note 4, as you could see, and if you put it this way, it kind of you know, it kind of fits into the Note 4. Maybe it's off by 1.5 inches, and then you got 1, 2, about 2 of these could fit into one Note 4. I got the iPhone 5. Remember that, the iPhone 5, really a relic nowadays. So if I put it right there, it's basically a little bit smaller than the iPhone 5, so it's not that big. It's a lot thicker though. As you can see, it is a lot thicker, but still very small. And one more phone, the iPhone 6s, the little one, not the big one. So as you can see, it's small. So again, if you have an iPhone or a Samsung, I'm kind of wanted to give you an idea of how big or small this speaker is compared to your phone, so at least you get an idea of how it looks. So here I have a 6 Plus, that's the regular 6S, and that's the speaker. So as you can see, check out the size differential. It's pretty tiny there. Alright, so that's what comes in the speaker, and that's how the speaker is. What we're gonna do now is I'm going to link it to one of the phones, and then we're gonna do a quick test and see how it is. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on.
Powering on.
Alright.
Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Altec speaker is on. Later. I'm gonna do this later. And we're gonna hook it up to this S8 Plus here real quick. Now let me see connections. Bluetooth. So let's go with the Bluetooth. And now it's called the Mini H2O. Alright, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to remember. Mini H2O, and it comes out pretty quickly, so that's nice. So I'm gonna just link it. Hopefully it connects. Alright guys, it's connected now. So what we're gonna do is go to our trusty non-copyrighted music again, because you know, I don't want to get copyrighted here. Let me see, where are my apps? Here we go. So we're gonna go to the non-copyrighted music and see how this works. I am going to go probably halfway, and then I'm going to increase the volume slowly, so you guys could see how it sounds. So let's go from let me lower that down. Let's go from from half to all the way up, and see how it sounds. Hopefully you guys could see how it sounds. So let's get started. Alright guys, so it sounds pretty good. Now they say this is an IP67 waterproof certified speaker, so let's give it a test. I have here a nice little bucket of water. So what we're gonna do is nice and cold. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the speaker right into the water, and we'll give it a shot. Now keep in mind that if you ever do that, make sure the flap is completely closed. If you have this flap, you know, quarter open, any holes going in, it's gonna go into the charger and it's gonna mess up the speaker. So this port always has to be closed, so keep that in mind. If it's not closed, you're gonna have a problem. That's pretty cool. I submerged it and you could see the bubbles coming out. Why would you submerge the speaker? It's just a test, guys. I mean, you could barely hear any music coming out because it's underwater, but it's pretty cool how it holds the you know, it still works, so that's pretty impressive. And you could see the water coming out of it. Let me get now it's facing face down, so yeah, it passed the test. Alright guys, so it did pass the test. Actually it is pretty, well, hold on guys, there we go, did pass the test guys. So it is IP67 waterproof, which is actually pretty cool. Why you would need it, why you would submerge in water, I don't know, but you could put it into your, you know, if you're taking a shower, you want to have a speaker there, or if it's raining, you know it's not gonna get damaged by the rain or water or anything like that. So that's actually pretty cool. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. I do appreciate you guys watching these videos, and if you watch this video until the end, thank you again. Please leave a couple thumbs up, that would be greatly appreciated. I will be posting a couple more videos pretty much soon. I got a nice view on my mount unboxing, and you know how the mount itself wasn't actually that good. So what I did was I got two different mounts, vent mounts, that I want to compare on my next video. This is the Shock, I think that's how we say it, and this is the Audi model. So we're gonna do that on the next video, compare it. The other mount I got in my previous video wasn't that good, and you know, I did not recommend that mount. So hopefully one of these mounts is better, than see which one is better and which one I will endorse. I mean, again, just endorse because it's actually good, not because they're giving me anything. Hopefully it would be nice if they would be giving me something, but as of right now, no. So keep that in mind. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, comment, like, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thanks for the views. We're almost up to 5K views, man. For something that I'm just doing on the side, that's great, guys. Thanks again for everything. If you got any comments, anything, just post it up, and I'll be back in the next video. Thanks guys, see you guys later.